In this video, I'll show you how you can create multiple links in your Instagram bio like this one, and all that without using any paid services like Linktree or anyone else. Coming up. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to AnkitSharma.tv, where we create videos for bloggers, startups and entrepreneurs like you and me. So if you are new to the channel, then make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Alright, if you are using social media for marketing your business or maybe your personal brand, then there is no way that you can ignore Instagram. But the problem is that Instagram only allows one single link in the bio or maybe in the story as well, but for that you need to cross 10,000 subscribers. But is there any way that we can create multiple links in the Instagram bio? Surely there is. And there are tools like Linktree and various others available in the market, which you can just go ahead and use and make a landing page where you can just put various links which might be pointing to various blog posts or maybe to your sales page. But there are some problems with these platforms. Number one, they are not completely free. To use their full services, you need to pay them some monthly rental. Along with that, they might not have the design that you might be looking for. So you are bound to use whatever templates they have, so you cannot create your own. And number three, when you use the free version of these tools, you lose your branding a bit. Either they put a link of their website at the bottom of your landing page, or they won't allow you to use your own URL. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a similar landing page like this, where you can put up an image or any XYZ link to point your visitors to any page on your blog or maybe on the sales page or other different social media networks. And all that will be done under your brand name. So let's see how it is done. Now for this tutorial, I'm considering you already have a WordPress website, because I'll be creating this for my website, which is made on WordPress, and I'll be using free plugins to create this kind of multiple links. And even if you do not have a WordPress website, you can do the same thing using Wix or Squarespace if you have a website on these platforms. Now, as you can see right now on my Instagram page, I only have one single link that is pointing to my YouTube video. So we will edit that and we will create that landing page where we will have our profile image and some links where we can send our visitors to. So right now I am in my WordPress dashboard, and from here I go to pages and then add new to create a new page. So this will be the page where people land once they click on the link in the bio. So let's go ahead and name it maybe me. Yeah, so the URL will be like your website /me, or maybe you can name it to anything that you want. For this example, I'll name it as me and I'll save the draft, and the URL will be like AnkitSharma.tv /me. So after that, we will edit this page using Elementor theme builder. Now for creating landing pages like this, you do not have to purchase the paid version of Elementor. If in case you want to know more about Elementor, then the link is in the description of this video. If you want to purchase the premium version of Elementor, then you can go ahead and use the link in the description. Now, if you are new to Elementor theme builder and you don't know how to use it, I have a free course on my YouTube channel which you can go ahead and watch and learn more about it. So I'll leave a link in the I button above or in the description below. So now we are in the Elementor page builder. First of all, let's go ahead and change the page template to Elementor canvas. So this will remove all the headers and footers, and we will be able to do the page designing from scratch with a blank page. So now we have a blank page. We will start by adding one single column, and here we will choose the width maybe around 400, no, maybe around 550 pixels, because this will be for mobile viewers only, so we don't need a big giant width. So after that, first of all, we will go ahead and add a little bit of padding on top and bottom. So we'll add a 20 pixel from top and 20 pixel at bottom, and after that we will add the image widget here. We will choose the full size, and let's go ahead and add a bio image. Let's line it to center and use the thumbnail size, And from the style, we'll go ahead and add a border. The border type will be solid, width will be around 3 pixels, and the color will be white. Now border will be around 15. Now let's go ahead and increase it a bit. And if you go ahead and add the border radius, we can turn the image into a circular form. Or maybe instead of thumbnail, let's go ahead and choose the full image so that we can have a little bit of sharpness here, and we can change the max width. So let's go ahead and keep it to 30%. Now let's go ahead and add a button. So we will align it to center and we will link it to our website URL, so people can just go ahead and visit our blog, and I'll keep the text as from the blog. And let's go ahead and add a background color here. Go to style, and we will add a gradient. Okay, let's go ahead and edit this button. We'll go to style of the button. First of all, we will keep it to full width, and then we will go to add a little bit of solid border here, and the color of the border will be white, and the background color will be clear, transparent. And let's go ahead and add a little icon here on the button. So we will go ahead and choose the WordPress icon because this is for blog. Maybe we can keep it just center aligned. Alright, so this will be our first button, and let's go ahead and duplicate that. So let's make this one as about me, and the icon will be like, maybe we can choose smiley. Let's go ahead and keep the icon space a little bit, same as here. And let's go ahead and add one more button. So I'll go ahead and add a button where people can just click on that and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So I'll make this button as full width, and I'll make the link as ankitsharma.tv/YouTube. So they will be actually redirected to the YouTube channel so that they can subscribe. So you can also use that link to subscribe to this channel. We will open that link in a new tab, edit the text first. Maybe we can add latest video, and then we will add an icon of YouTube. Let's change the design. Background will be a little dark red. Border would be solid 1 pixel, and the color will be a different shade of red, and the border radius will be 10. So we will have a rounded border here, and above that maybe we can also add a little bit of text. Maybe we can write some catchy headline. Let's go ahead and style that. We don't need any H2 tags, so we will keep it as paragraph. So we'll change the color to white. Alright, now below that we can also go ahead and add our social media icons. So we'll drag them there. Let's add a little bit of gap from the top, and style will be custom color, where primary color will be transparent and secondary color will be white. Maybe we can add a little bit of border once again.
and the border color will be white. And instead we can actually go ahead with circular logo, and maybe we can reduce size a bit. And of course you can go ahead and add links to these social media icons. We can just go ahead and click on that and add our various links. So let it be, we can go ahead and do that later on. Alright, so let's go ahead and publish that. Let's go ahead and take the URL. So we will copy the URL from here, and maybe we can add a little bit of fixed height so it will look a little bit better on mobile devices. And the column position will be top. Let's click on update, and I'll just go ahead and update the link here and click on submit. Alright, so now we have a link. Here, and if someone clicks on it, it will go to our landing page, and this will be the page they will see. And let's go ahead and check it how it looks on the mobile device. So I'll go to my Instagram. Alright, now you can see we have the new link here, and once we click on that, it will go to our landing page. Alright, so this will be the landing page, and people can just go ahead and click on the links here, and maybe we can actually do all the buttons look full width. So I just quickly go ahead and change all the buttons to full width. And let me just go ahead and refresh this page. Alright, this looks better. So this will be our landing page, and we can put all the links here, and we see our branding on the top. So we do not see any third-party website. And if you have an Elementor website, you can go to this link. I'll drop the link in the description below. You can go to this blog post and you can download these 3 templates for free of cost. The Elementor template for these 3 designs. You can just import them in your library, and this will help you create your landing page for your Instagram. So if you want, you can just go ahead and download it for free of cost. And if you use these templates to create your Instagram landing pages, then make sure you create a story about it and tag me in that story. The handle will be somewhere on the screen, and I can't wait to see some awesome landing pages created by you. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this, and if you do, then make sure you like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.